Hello student, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will tell you the generation of computer in very easy way. These videos are very beneficial for those students who are just entered into computer line, or also for those students who are preparing for competitive exams. In the previous video we discussed about computer features and classifications. The link of the previous video is given in the description box. If you want to see, you can go that link and watch it. In this video we will discuss 5th generations of computer. So first of all we discuss 4 generations. So let's move on the 4th generation computer. The period of 4th generation was 1946 to 1959. The generation of computer started with using vacuum tubes as the basic components for memory and circuitry of CPU. These tubes looking like electric bulbs. Those produce a lot of heat. In this generation, mainly batch processing systems were used. In generation, punch cards, magnetic tape, and input and output devices were used. And its speed is 333 microseconds. There were machine code and electric whiteboard languages used. Some feature of 4th generations: vacuum tube technology, very costly. It is very costly. Generate a lot of heat, slow input and output device, consume a lot of electricity, used for scientific purpose. Some computer of in these generations: ENIAC, IBM 701, IBM 650, and so on. Let's move on the next topic. Next topic is 2nd generation of computer. The period of 2nd generation was start from 1959 to 1965. This generation using the transistor was cheaper, consumed less power and faster than the 1st generation. In this generation, magnetic cores were used as a primary memory and magnetic. In this generation, assembly language and high-level programming like Fortran, COBOL was used. There are batch processing and multi-programming operating system were used. Its speed is 10 microseconds. In this generation, assembly language and high-level programming like Fortran and COBOL was used. The main feature of 2nd generation: reliable as compared to the 1st generation. Generate less heat compared to the 1st generation. 3rd, AC needed. 4th, used for commercial use. Some computer of 2nd generations as like PDP-8, IBM 1401, CDC 3600. Let's move on the next 3rd generation of computer. The period of 3rd generation was start from 1965 to 1971. The 3rd generation of computer is marked by the use of IC in the place of transistors. A single IC has many transistors. As we know that IC was invented by Jack Kilby. In this generation, magnetic core were used and its speed is 10 nanoseconds. In this generation, remote processing, time sharing and real-time operating system were used. High-level languages Fortran to COBOL, Pascal, Basic, Algol were used during the generation. Some feature of 3rd generation: first is IC used, 2nd still costly, and 3rd is smaller size, more reliable than other generations. Some computer of this generation: IBM 360 series, Honeywell 6000, B6 500. So let's move on the next topic. Next topic is 4th generation of computer. 4th generation of computer start from 1971 to 1980. The 4th generation of computer is marked by use of very large scale integrated called VLSI circuit. VLSI circuit having about 5000 transistors. VLSI circuit. This generation, time sharing, real-time networks, distributed operating system were used. Semiconductor memory, Winchester disk were used. This generation, its speed is 300 nanoseconds. This generation, time sharing, real-time networks, distributed operating system were used. All the higher level languages like C and C++, etc. were used in this generation. Some feature of 4th generation computer: more reliable and portable. 2nd, very cheap. 3rd, very small in size. 4, computer become easily available in market. Some computer in this generation: DEC 10, Intel 4004 chip, Macintosh. So let's move to fifth generation of computer. Fifth generation starts from 1980 till toward. Using this fifth generation, the VLSI technology became ULSI technology, resulting in the production of microprocessor chip having 10 million electronic components. This generation is based on parallel processing, hardware and software. All higher level languages like C and C++, Java used in this generation. Some features of fifth generation: parallel processing systems, and second, enable mega chips. Third, development of true artificial intelligence. Some computer of these generations as like desktop, laptop and all artificial intelligence, as for example robotic, game playing. Bye students, that's it for today. I hope you like this video. If you like my video, then please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.